Can you imagine waking up every day knowing you're on your way to financial freedom? What if I told you that there are countless ways you can start building wealth right now from the comfort of your home? Wealth Builders, today we're diving into the ultimate guide to making money online. Whether you're looking to leverage your skills, start a side hustle, or build a full-time income, we've got you covered. By the end of this video, you'll have actionable strategies that you can start implementing immediately to boost your income. We'll explore a range of opportunities, from freelancing to selling courses and everything in between. We'll discuss who each method is best suited for and give you the inside scoop on how to get started. Welcome to Wealth Builder Masterclass, where future millionaires go for wealth, wisdom, and life advice. If you're new to the channel, click the subscribe button to get the latest updates. Number 1, freelancing. Have you ever thought about turning your existing skills into cash? Freelancing could be your ticket to financial freedom. Freelancing allows you to offer your expertise in areas like writing, graphic design, programming, or even virtual assistance to clients all over the world. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer make it easy to get started by connecting you with clients who need your services. This is perfect for self-motivated individuals who prefer working independently. You'll need good communication skills to interact with clients and deliver work on time. By building a strong portfolio and collecting positive reviews, you can steadily increase your rates and take on more lucrative projects. Number 2, selling items on eBay. Have you ever wondered if that old collection of baseball cards or vintage clothes could make you money? Selling items on eBay is a great way to declutter and profit from things you no longer need. Start by listing items you already own and expand by sourcing products from garage sales, thrift stores, or wholesale suppliers. This job suits those with an eye for detail and a knack for negotiation. You'll need to write compelling product descriptions and take clear photos to attract buyers. With some effort, you can turn this into a full-time business by continually sourcing and listing products. Money-making idea number 3, selling handmade items on Etsy. Do you enjoy crafting and creating handmade goods? Etsy is the perfect platform to showcase your creativity and sell items like jewelry, art, or custom-made gifts. Setting up a shop is straightforward, and you can reach a global audience of buyers looking for unique handmade products. This is ideal for artistic individuals who love working with their hands. You'll need to manage your inventory, communicate with customers, and continuously create new products. The joy of seeing your creations appreciated by others can be immensely rewarding, both financially and personally. Number 4, dropshipping. Ever wanted to run an online store without the hassle of managing inventory? Dropshipping allows you to sell products directly from suppliers to customers without ever handling the goods yourself. Simply set up your Shopify store, choose your products, and start marketing to potential buyers. This method is great for those who are tech-savvy and enjoy marketing. You'll need to optimize your website, manage ads, and ensure customer satisfaction. It's a scalable business model that can grow as large as you're willing to take it, with relatively low upfront costs. Number 5, affiliate marketing. Do you have a knack for persuading people? Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Join affiliate programs from companies like Amazon, ClickBank, or ShareASale, and start sharing these links through your blog, YouTube channel, or social media. This suits communicative individuals who are good at creating engaging content. You'll need to build a strong online presence and gain your audience's trust. Over time, with consistent effort, affiliate marketing can become a significant source of passive income. Number 6, blogging. Have you ever considered sharing your thoughts and experiences with the world? Blogging allows you to do just that while earning money through ads, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing. Choose a niche you're passionate about, whether it's travel, cooking, or tech, and start writing valuable content. Blogging is perfect for those who enjoy writing and connecting with others. It requires patience and consistency, as building a readership takes time. However, once established, a successful blog can generate a steady income and provide opportunities for collaborations and sponsorships. Money-making idea number 7, YouTube. Ever thought about becoming a YouTuber? Creating content on YouTube allows you to reach millions of viewers and monetize through ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. Pick a niche you love, like gaming, beauty, or education, and start creating engaging videos. This is great for creative, outgoing individuals who enjoy being in front of the camera. You'll need to learn video editing and develop a unique style to attract subscribers. With dedication and consistency, YouTube can become a highly profitable venture. Number 8, social media. Are you always on social media? Why not make money from it? By building a large following on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, or TikTok, you can earn through sponsored posts, brand partnerships, and even selling your own products. This suits sociable individuals who enjoy interacting with others and sharing their lives online. You'll need to create consistent, high-quality content and engage with your audience regularly. With time, you can turn your social media presence into a profitable business. Number 9, email marketing. Have you considered how powerful email can be for marketing? By building an email list and sending regular newsletters, you can promote products, share content, and drive traffic to your website. Tools like MailChimp and ConvertKit make it easy to manage and grow your email list. This is ideal for those who are organized and good at writing persuasive copy. You'll need to provide value to your subscribers and build a relationship with them. With a well-targeted email list, you can see significant returns on your efforts. Number 10, sell solo ads. Have you ever heard of selling solo ads? This involves selling email advertising space to other marketers who want to promote their products. By building a large, engaged email list, you can earn money by sending promotional emails on behalf of others. This suits individuals who are good at networking and have a large email list. You'll need to maintain a high-quality list and ensure your subscribers are interested in the offers you promote. It's a great way to monetize your email list without creating your own products. Number 11, sell courses on Udemy. Do you have expertise in a particular area? Selling courses on platforms like Udemy allows you to share your knowledge and earn money. Create a course on a topic you're passionate about, such as cooking, coding, or marketing, and reach a global audience. This is perfect for those who enjoy teaching and have in-depth knowledge of a subject. You'll need to plan your course content, record videos, and engage with students. Other platforms like Teachable and Skillshare also offer great opportunities for course creators. Money-making idea number 12, product creation. Ever dreamed of launching your own product? Whether it's a physical item or a digital download, selling products on your own website gives you complete control over your brand and profits. Use platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce to set up your store and start selling. This is ideal for entrepreneurial individuals who are ready to invest time and effort into product development. You'll need to handle everything from production to marketing and customer service. With dedication, you can build a successful brand and enjoy the rewards. Money-making idea number 13, start a membership. Have you thought about creating a membership site? By offering exclusive content or services on a subscription basis, you can build a steady stream of recurring income. This could be anything from fitness coaching to business advice, delivered through a members-only platform. This suits individuals who are experts in their field and enjoy providing ongoing value. You'll need to create high-quality content consistently and engage with your members to keep them subscribed. It's a great way to build a loyal community and a sustainable business. Number 14, offer coaching services. Do you have a passion for helping others achieve their goals? Coaching allows you to provide personalized guidance and support to clients in areas like business, fitness, or life coaching. You can offer one-on-one sessions, group coaching, or online programs. This is perfect for communicative and empathetic individuals who enjoy mentoring others. You'll need to be knowledgeable in your field and have strong interpersonal skills. Coaching can be incredibly fulfilling and lucrative as you help others succeed while building your own business. Congratulations! You've just learned about 14 incredible ways to start building wealth online. From freelancing and selling products to affiliate marketing and coaching, the opportunities are endless. Remember, each of these methods has its own unique benefits and is suited to different types of people. Whether you're a creative, a techie, or someone who loves interacting with others, there's something here for you. The journey to financial freedom starts with a single step. Choose an idea that resonates with you and take action today. The sooner you start, the closer you'll get to achieving your financial goals. Remember, every small step you take today can lead to a giant leap in the future. Okay, now it's time to test your knowledge to see what you've learned. You'll be given a series of questions with multiple choice answers. Answer A, B, or C for each question and give yourself a point for each one you get correct. Ready? Question 1. Which of the following platforms is best suited for offering freelance services? A, eBay, B, Fiverr, or C, Etsy? Answer B, Fiverr. Question 2. When selling handmade items, which platform is specifically mentioned for reaching a global audience? A, Shopify, B, Upwork, or C, Etsy? Answer C, Etsy. Question 3. What is a key advantage of dropshipping compared to traditional online stores? A, you handle all inventory yourself. B, you don't need to manage inventory. Or C, you only sell handmade products. Answer B, you don't need to manage inventory. Question 4. Which money-making idea involves earning a commission by promoting other people's products? A, affiliate marketing. B, freelancing. Or C, blogging? Answer A, affiliate marketing. Question 5. For which activity is building a large email list crucial? A, YouTube. B, freelancing. Or C, email marketing? Answer C, email marketing. Question 6. What skills, resources, or traits do you need in order to succeed with blogging? A, high initial investment. B, patience and consistency. Or C, advanced coding skills? Answer B, patience and consistency. Question 7. Which platform is ideal for those who enjoy teaching and have in-depth knowledge of a subject? A, Udemy. B, eBay. Or C, Fiverr? Answer A, Udemy. Question 8. Which idea requires you to have strong interpersonal skills and a passion for helping others achieve their goals? A, selling on eBay. B, coaching services. Or C, dropshipping? Answer B, coaching services. Question 9. What is a primary benefit of starting a membership site? A, you sell one-time products. B, you focus solely on physical products. Or C, you build a recurring income stream? Answer C, you build a recurring income stream. Question 10. Which two activities involve building a large audience and can lead to significant income through consistent content creation? A, blogging. B, selling items on eBay. Or C, YouTube? Answer A, blogging, and C, YouTube. Did you get them all correct? Then pat yourself on the back. If not, rewatch the video and take the quiz again, and you'll do better next time. Are you a wealth builder? Then be sure to subscribe for updates. Until then, we'll see you in the next video.